Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to delete a booking in the PMS application. Let's get started. First, navigate to the front office module. Then click on the booking section. Here, you'll see a list of all current bookings. You can also change the booking date using the calendar view. Next, find the booking you want to delete. Click on the booking ID. This will open a pop-up window. Inside the window, you'll see a delete button. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter the master PIN and a remark to confirm the deletion. Once you've entered the details, check the required boxes, then click Delete Booking, and that's it. The booking has been successfully deleted. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help. And be sure to check out our other tutorial videos in the description for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.